What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tori, back on the video, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. Y'all gotta forgive me on that. Hey, I'm finna go crazy from now on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, today's gonna be a little day of my life, you know what I'm saying? Just spend the day with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna be all riding. Finna be working out, lifting these weights, you feel me? But yeah, finna get my little day started, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, finna work out, you know what I'm saying? Finna start with some curls, bench press, and do some push-ups, you know what I'm saying? Something light, you know what I'm saying? You don't mind to hear it, bro. I just woke up. Don't mind that. But yeah, let's get to it. Yo, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got that new frame right there, you know what I'm saying? That Baja with that Makuni, that Purdy 212. Boy, looking good. Here go my old frame right there. Boy, broke. What broke, I had somebody weld it, then the weld broke, and then it broke more. Like, damn. Fuck it. Got my new baby right there, you know what I'm saying? I was spray painting the fenders. Boy, fire. I mess with it. Hell yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be on the road in a little bit. I'm gonna get back with y'all till then. Sure, I'm out here. You know what I'm saying? Finna tear the streets up. Let's get to it. Finna head to the bridge. Meet up with my people, you know what I'm saying? Try to link up with some more people. We finna ride, you know what I'm saying? It's finna be a good day. Okay.
Get up!
Damn. Hell yeah, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at that. Shit, fire. Got fire artwork down here. No cap. It's nice as fuck. But yeah, it's fire. It's a nice day, baby. No cap. It's a good day to be riding. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yo, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got my boy Melvin right here, you know what I'm saying? He got his channel coming soon, you know what I'm saying?
Real soon.
Y'all stay tuned.
On the way.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Got my baby right here. Hey, see this boy right here? See this little knucklehead ass nigga? Goofy ass. But hell yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all while I'm on the road. Out here, baby. Sir, nice day. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all while I'm on the road. Sir, it's a nice day. My old school, man. It's gonna be a whole nother school, man. It's crazy. Yeah, it's a nice ass day. No cap. I'm gonna get back with you.
got waves. Zoda got waves.
Boy, I don't know what the fuck flew in my eye. Know about that Circle K chicken. Hey, we out here, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. a good day, you know, cat. You feel me? Yo, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? It's the next day, you know what I'm saying? I forgot to make an outro, but yeah, picked up a new toy, you know what I'm saying? Gotta stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Mess with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like, subscribe, and share, you feel me? Stay tuned to the next video, you know what I'm saying? I'm out of here.